Hi, I'm Jo and I drew rows of dots on a piece of paper, joined them up, then coloured them in to make this pattern.
Hi, I'm Caroline. I head an art attack by joining dots together to make a symmetrical pattern.
Hi, I'm Tom, and this is my symmetrical dot design picture.
Yeah, good art attack. Joining the dots to create symmetrical patterns. Try this. Take a square piece of paper and divide it into 4 equal squares using your ruler. Now, it must be accurate, this. And then put a dot at the centre point, like that. And then, using that dot as a guide, draw a row of dots across each of your lines. And the dots have to be 1 centimetre apart. It must be accurate, this. And I'm just doing this one line to show you. But do all 4 lines. And when you've done all 4 lines, move your ruler onto one of the dots, and using this dot as a guide, draw another row of dots right across your paper, again 1 centimetre apart. And when you've completed that row, move your ruler over and do another row of dots using another dot as a guide, and these dots again must be 1 centimetre apart. And by the time you finish this, you'll have driven yourself completely dotty. There it goes. And when you've covered the whole of your paper, it will look like this. Look at that. Dots absolutely everywhere. And then it's a case of joining the dots to create some patterns, but just do it in the bottom right-hand box to start with. Now, what I'm going to do here is join a couple of dots, maybe that one to there, and create a very simple triangle. Now, watch this. When you've done that shape, repeat it in the left-hand box, but a mirror image. So the triangle has to be the other way round. It's still in the same place, still the same distance from that centre line, but it's the wrong way round. And here's the clever bit. Now, you spin your paper, and that's now in the bottom right-hand box. And you copy it again into the left-hand box, but again, a mirror image. So each time, you're copying what's in the bottom right-hand box, and you're making a mirror image in the left-hand box. Spin it again, and there you are, back to the beginning with another mirror image. OK, let's try it with another shape. What about a rectangle? Again, just joining these dots. You can create any shape you like. You just join the dots from dot to dot. OK, and I'm just going to repeat it in the bottom left-hand box. And all the time, I'm repeating the bottom left-hand box, what's in the right-hand box, but just a mirror image. And it can be quite confusing, this, so the idea is to use the dots just to help you out as a reference point. You can count the dots, you can space yourself using the dots, and you can count how many dots you are away from those guidelines. There we are, the final mirror image in there, and it looks like that. And then just keep building up your pattern in the bottom right-hand box, doing a mirror image of it in the left-hand box, and then spin your paper and copy what's in the right, in the left, and spin again and copy what's in the right into the left. And eventually, you'll build up your pattern. And if you haven't gone completely mad by that stage, this will send you completely doolally. Colour in all your shapes and colour in each shape the same colour as its mirror image. So I'm just going to spin that round, and in it goes. Just colour that in there, like that. And then mirror image in the left-hand box, and just keep spinning it round. So all the triangles are going to be red, and just keep spinning them round, doing a mirror image like that. And colour in the rest of your pattern in exactly the same way, just doing a mirror image of what's in the right-hand box in the left. And eventually, you'll have a symmetrical dot pattern. And depending on how you join the dots, you could create a pattern that's any shape and any size. Look at that. Really effective patterns, aren't they? Try it yourself. Symmetrical dot patterns. And I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!